In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court ruled Tuesday to uphold birthright citizenship, striking down U.S. President Donald Trump's executive order to strip citizenship from those born to undocumented migrants or those in the country temporarily. The ruling solidifies that children born in the United States will continue to be counted as natural-born citizens regardless of their parent status. Trump wasted no time responding on Truth Social. The decision is too bad for our country, but can easily be made up through the legislative process. Republican Speaker of the House, Mike Johnson, echoing that sentiment.
I'm very disappointed in that outcome. I think it subjects the country to serious challenges going forward, and we'll have to deal with it as a Congress.
Trump first issued his executive order limiting birthright citizenship for some Americans last year on Inauguration Day, arguing that the 14th Amendment of the Constitution only covers those born to newly freed slaves. In the court's majority opinion, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote that citizenship then and now was the right to have rights to freely participate in our political community. The framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every freeborn person in this land. We keep that promise today. Justices Neil Gorsuch, Samuel Alito, and Clarence Thomas dissented. Legal analysts say the case brings up big questions about who belongs in the United States.
Americans are having fewer babies, and we're now growing as a country primarily through immigration. Some of those immigrants don't look like the European ancestors that some Americans have. And that's bringing some really big debates about who counts as an American, who gets to be American.
In a separate ruling, the High Court upheld state laws in Idaho and West Virginia banning trans girls and women from participating in team sports at school, saying the bans do not violate the Constitution or Title IX, prohibiting discrimination based on sex in a school setting. Trump marked the ruling as a, quote, big win. Along with other victories this week, the court granted the president the power to fire the heads of independent agencies. However, that does not extend to Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, who Trump tried to fire last year. Candace Cole, Global News, Washington.